Look where we're at. There's a bunch of skeeters out right now. Oh, let me turn it. Let me turn it. There's fucking Austin sitting in the water. Oh, hold on, hold on. Let me get up, right up here, like, and a 1, a 2, a tree. Cheers, folks. All right, folks. We are here at the Holy Lands, the Holy Grail. Yeet! Fish on, Austin!
Nice.
Oh, it came off!
David just lost us big. Your GoPro has the quick button. So. The old lizard shad, huh?
The old gizzard.
The lizard.
Oh, come on. Come on back, baby. Dude, that was a good one. Oh my God, Austin.
What?
Whatever hit my fucking bait bent my hook.
Really?
Right here, folks. He's just a little guy. He's just a little guy.
Small. You get to go home. Yay! Fucking synchronization like this. Ready, David? 1, 2, 3. Oh, we could have been in a band together. The way we keep time. Look at this dual motor action. We are hauling ass.
Dude.
All it took was 1 foot in. 1 foot in the boat. Here we go. Hauling ass. Oh, there's a drop right there, folks. But as long as you don't fall, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm recording my death today.
Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Yeah, we're good enough. See you, David. Woo! See you, David. David, don't do that. Go out over there. Go out over there. Don't do that. Go out over there, buddy. Be careful.
I know. Oh.
I seen the water coming over. Bro, you were almost under.
Oh shit.
Dude, you fucking turned sideways and the water came up over you.
I can feel it. I need a bilge.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. See if he comes out of here. No. That thing evacuates a lot of water. Thought you was done for, dude. I seen the water start coming up right here. Look at.
I know. I know.
What'd I tell you? Go further. My ass would have circled all the way around, dude. I went back to you. I'd have got us some land and called the National Guard and them to pick that.
I mean, technically, we could hit fucking,
I ain't hitting shit. I ain't taking no more of your advice. We almost both died off your picture. Usually only one of us almost dies. Now it's both of us.
Now it's both.
I'm a slight bit worried now.
Here,
we're both drunk. Usually one of us is way more stoned and reasonable. I'm just drunk.
We're fine.
I'm worthless. There's no paranoia in my system to tell me don't do that.
How was it coming in right there?
Fucked up.
Fucked up?
We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go way that way. Well, I'm gonna do it. You do whatever you want. Almost flipping's way close enough to flipping for me. Or we wait till 8 o'clock and wait for the tide to go back to the flag. Here, I'll drag you, David. I'll drag you through the water. Stay on the middle.
crazy. I used to fucking drive right here. Just put it right here. Just put it right here. I'll put it in right fucking here. Right here.
At least it's not like that. There's not that much of an elevation drop. It's moving. Fast.
Flipped right there.
His fault. His fault. And then David was like, let's go. The point over there, motherfucker. David's all, let's go through this shit in these. David decides to ignore my advice. No, put it back. We'll show the people what's happening here. You got this nice V, right? You can clearly see where the turbulent shit is. I told this motherfucker, go way over there. Go way over there. By them two, he's come around this circle and you can shoot right out. Nope, 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 nope.
Too busy trying to live?
I had to paddle after your ass. You imagine trying to stand up in this shit? You would have needed something. I mean, you would have floated, nigga, but I'm sure you... By the time I would have got to you, you would have stood up over there in fucking knee-high water.
I would have been all the way on the fucking mountain. On the hill. Oh no! Citrus shad! There it goes! There it goes!
No, I burned up and tried to save it! Fuck!
Fuck!